blessed Sigmar.
Y por uno con etorri lasto txapelen. Kanalera ongen torri bermintain. Bi honetara datorren astean belak horren aktualizazioa egongo da, beraz etorko bat hemen hori bat entrenamendu saio antzeko bat egiteta aste artean belak horrena ere probatzeko zuekin zuzenean, eta hemen zehozo daukadara irudi. A ver, kosmetikoak vale, hemen ez.
Hoarding your silver, are you?
Hemen dela, denbora asko joatu gabe. Hirupen beri barrezkuratu, desafioak. Etzaiak, beste kutsatxo bat. Kutsatxo gehiagi. Ah, vale, eta besteak ez daukagunez DLC hori. Ezin ditugu lortu, vale, konfor. Hongo bat borrokara. Jogatuko dut hemen zer moduz moratzen ezen. Ez du delako horrelainez jogatu. Eta entrenamendu moduan ere baligarra izan daiteke.
Now, there's a sorcerer lord creating quite a hullabaloo down in what's left of Helmgard. Turns out it's Burble Spew Hailscourge, the same fat bastard who ordered the theft of my book collection in Ubersreich, remember? Alicia says he's conjuring up a city-sized plague mist which will make the rot blood stronger and kill any decent folk. So, ride the guildsman's lift into the center and just stove his
eta badago
bloody
bonifikazio doblea.
Steals
Ezakizun bat zailtzen baditugu. Vale. Bere gaitarinen ateraz duten hau, esperientzia bikoitza eta irukoitza horrela pertsone guztiak 35. nibeleari gonituela. Eta orain ere badago hori, beraz lagundu dezakegu abur bat horretan. Eran zintzuk diren gure laguntzaileak. Vale, Victor Sapiste, Kerilian, eta Marcus.
Does it not worry you that we've come so close without interference?
Just close up and don't get separated. They'll be over us before you know it. Shield Reki!
Hauek etxe normalak direla.
Don't fault your aim.
I think he's dead, Lumberboots.
Stand back! Stay back! It's Sigmar's name!
Vale. Bueno, irailean badazo Darktai, 40.000 munduan pentsatu dagoena.
We're all good, mates. Our rat's dead.
Eta hor berriz ere nukleak gertatzen zaio konpainiani beti nukleekin sartuko goelako.
Can't see anything. Hold your ground. The Chaos Warrior comes. Fight! Fight! Kill! Dead! Die! Luna might have given better directions to the lifting platform. I walk with Sigma!
Vale.
Run everywhere! And another one's gone! Grimmy showers of storm!
Benetan hori.
Lots of storm beams. Move me, Blaze.
Oh, I'm fine, you'll see! Turn back! In the name of Hitler! You forward, eyes up, and ready for a feast of flying! Welcome to the World War! Right here, boys! Over here! Right here! Give me a good stop! No, not try again! Listen!
What if this thing could kill that soldier before he breaks and felt? I start shot.
Pick up your feet! Move! Globadier! Hear it! Come on, then!
Zakurraren putza.
Good evening. Made it through another day, eh? Green lightning in the World's Edge Mountains. Sounds like Gork and Mork are on the warpath.
Hemendik
You ever been much of a sporting sort, Azungi?
Me? No. Coasting.
Fine, boys. Every last one.
Aye? So why did you stop?
Well, couldn't face it after the accident. I mean, they said it was mechanical failure, but I reckon some enterprising sort cut the cables on the lift. Yeah, it's a long way down from the Faustschlag. Whole team gone in a flash. and me asked some very pointed questions. It's a cutthroat game, and it don't just stay on the field if you take my meaning.
You'll have to teach me how to play. Sounds like my kind of game.
Ya no olvides también.
Die! Die! Come! Yeah! Die, will ya? Now! Yeah! Like that! Take her!
I don't want to hurry, but we've got problems.
What will your kinsfolk be thinking? What with you out here when they're surely having wars of their own?
They'll do fine, Watelki. They don't need me.
Oh, I agree that one smelly dwarf is much like another, but have you no longing to return?
When the time is right, have no fear.
And that'll be...
No rush, is there? No hurry at all.
Stop faffing around. We don't have time to waste.
Amiga no, raichatela.
The Northlanders are breeding trolls down in an abandoned mine. Full points for ingenuity, if not for taste. Still, we can't have the brutish things wandering around, can we? The hard part will be to stop Gorikson cooking the remains. Mark my words.
Eso es... Gorro dut, hau bizitzerdia galdu dezakelako saltoarekin bakarri. Vale, si nada dago.
Might get a bit chilly. Bleeding freezing me arse off.
Ah, joy. A deep, dark hole. But it will find much to our liking.
Trolls are better served in a stew than mutated by sorcery, Dory. We've work to do.
Down. Always down. Those rails have to lead somewhere.
I won't die to the likes of these. By the flame, I won't.
Vale.
That one's dance is over. Over here! Come on!
Oh.
That's a good gummy, Dory.
Vale, así.
My feet, eyes open.
Tons of ammunition!
Hook rat. here, mayflies.
Storm vermin!
I can do this all day!
Wizard, why is my step...
Boy, I really enjoyed the extra mile today. A mile littered with corpses! On to trade! Boom! Ha ha! You fight like a dwarf, Azumgi! Okay! Nothing! Do it proper!
That's a leech of notice.
Yeah, I'm ready for you!
Jealous authority grants a healing draft.
This way!
I found a bomb!
Cheers!
Respect the dead, Dory.
A healing drop. Right here.
Shalia's gift here! Down here, glaciate mayflies.
Bueno, vale.
Backstabbers closing in!
Assassin rat dead! Well, steered and done it once!
Fire that! See? Over there!
Brains upper surface dwellers! There! No more fire rat!
Oh, let this potion work. You're watched. Do not feel the eyes upon you.
Vale, lihat behar ditugu esplosioak.
I smell black fire. We should claim it and put it to use.
Gasra! About your toes! Come here, was it? Someone's in there for you! Yeah, right? Snowballs, a lot of you! Get your best shot! Stop that ball! That gas
Podrían gaur sekulako
Over there now!
segure egin dezake.
Sneak rat! Watch your backs! Kruber! Keep killing like this and I'm gonna lose my bet.
Bet? What bet? You don't you listen to her, and you know how she double-talk.
Kruber dear, hold your breath and shield your eyes.
I've had worse than this. The
Oh,
car's
vale.
getting away.
Rot hell! Drive him back!
doing that, and I'll take your beard. That's what we needed. Hold up, I'm feeling a touch out of sorts. Sure that Crutty some wind from my arms.
Leech.
Keep going. Here. Dead on the ground.
Savage.
Looks like we're heading downwards.
Someone push that damn cart.
Rothelm incoming!
Nicely done, Marcus. Make it look easy.
It's nothing, Sienna. Bit of training, reflexes.
And a powerful fear of getting another scar, I shouldn't wonder. We die here, we'll be in good company. Light Leech is dead. I feel the wind raining. Light Stormer.
Healing drop. Don't squander it.
Not so rugged today, Martin. What was that? Yeah! That's all! Ah, you're getting the knack of this, girlie!
God, who brewed this muck?
Bueno, ya nivel honetatik aurrera edo zontasunetatik aurrera botekin jogatzea ez da berdin.
Silas Doomy!
Oh.
Sergeant, don't shoot me.
Come on! We're in here! sorcerer! That's the Ziladui bell!
Vengeful Shakira is no one pushing the cart.
Come on! Against the other, stop it! I know you're daft, but are you also blind? Still here? Just take a swing!
That's a Blight Stormer.
Gustumi! And the thirsty one! Don't look at me! I can't catch it! Go, let's!
Shielding rats, be ready!
Am I a rat or Northlander in your eyes, dwarf?
That's enough, Carillion! Check that otherworldly aim of yours!
Lucky head.
Someone kill that rooting strangler!
No sorrow for a dead packmaster.
No tears, I'll bring them back.
Ah, we'll slay them all. Let the weeds be avenged!
You are the trail of flame.
That's through here!
That's all you've got! What's up? That's all you've got! Get where you cast, wizard! No stopping at all there! Trust me! Warming up! Down it is! Hey, here's where the action is! Right here! Give me a good shot! I test my drum reel! Go for it!
Is that potion any use? Shield rat!
Ow!
Listen! Walk back!
That's a warp fire thrower. Move! Move! Move!
Bah! Grimnir, that's a hook rat!
Thousand deaths are not enough for this hook rat!
The Packmaster's done for!
Vale, reto esa que gobera esta.
So, where do you think the cart went?
Over here!
can't argue with the results.
Or something you need to heal.
Another battle, another scar.
Another dead gutter runner.
I'm fine. I only need a moment.
Look, Shalia's gifts.
Godlings, can you not see this as the path?
That's the cart. Give it a shove. Dead and not before time.
So many, let's drive them back. Kill that fire rat. Oh, we bring it back. Scream and dive, Arthur.
Kruber, parry their blows.
Which sharp, mates? They'll be back.
A pack of plague monks comes for us mayflies.
Bugger you at the post story.
Your head stinks like a midden.
Me gusta la...
Even got
Wait for me!
nice work, darling. No more rats. Lots of trolls behind those doors, darling.
Mental Victor va a...
Ring the bell, that's right.
That's a bloody troll, that is.
Come here! No more, Sergeant, please! Oh, you know your way around a stick fight, Salad.
Thank you, Barden. Guess all those years as a battle wizard paid off. Definitely felt better.
Your fire is feeding Sienna.
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
Those wounds don't look good to some kid.
Well, they won't regenerate that mess, will they?
That should help Lorna's troll problem. Let's give him the good news.
Bueno, todo... Esan nahiko nahiko ongi jokatu dala. Hau, 30 niveletik, 30 nivelera. Erak nivele zigotzeko uste dut ongi ondela. Gainera beti esperientzia bikoitza ezeko dut. Ranalz. Igo. Vale.
Good evening. Don't suppose you've seen Katrin about?
Vale, ordan jarriko dugu ertzio hau. Vale. Hemen zuk ere aukeratu dezakezu.
Surely you would... Hail Comet's return, Clover.
Yeah, sure it'll make all the difference.
I don't believe it. You're as bad as the others.
Why am I? How many times has the comet shown up over the years, right? How many times have things actually gotten better?
You will see. You will see.
Looks like the twin-tailed comet's return, Saltspire. What do you make?
It speaks to dire times ahead, but promises victory.
Reckon old Sigmar might actually pitch in?
Certainly, if we deserve his aid.
MacDuck izango da. Kerillian. Ezin dugu gehiago ireki.
You going to hang around all day?
Laugarren bat beharko dugu.
At Castle Drakenfels. Look, I don't know how...
The time has come, people. The Skittergate guards have been thinned. The Rockblood forces lack leadership, and dear old Raskinit is off to hold some self-congratulatory victory speech. This is our chance to destroy the Skittergate. Now, just let me finish before you start screaming bloody murder. You must go through the Skittergate
lorpen bat joku honetan dela Skittergate dakizu garren nivelean gainditzea uste dut dela nivel hau ez urrengoan gainditzea dik hori egiteko nivelik ez daukat.
Are we using the lifting platform made light?
That's what we call a barrack bar handshake. The town swallowed by Ratman artifice. The vermin will not succeed. Oh, leave some for the rest of us, eh?
There's a bomb here.
Bueno, bentsat batzuk ulertzen dute, noiz baiteren nivele txigo bar dela eta
Listen, assassin!
Go softly into your failure, assassin. Lily of more plague vermin. Gunner, someone draw that fire.
Right, Paddy, income.
That at least is last. Gunner dead.
Beware, Stormfiend!
But the door's being come. Move yourselves, lumberboots.
Holy justice! I can't get this door.
Killing rats never leaves its entertainment, even the large ones.
Break it down, boy! Shot, I am worthy!
Pau, hay que ir, no lo que suena, no tengan, no la ven la bicicleta, no la palmeta, no se lortzen dudanen, niretzat aurrerapenak izan dira.
That's all! Ah, you're getting the knack of this, surely? Oh, leave me alone! The sergeant's down!
Oh, my God.
Rot in your eyes, Barden. Lumberboots!
Some potion makes me bigger.
Vale, guazen bera.
Look at that! Cruising thing seems ready and waiting for us.
Pero pentsat moskara helduko naizela, helduko garela.
Medical supplies.
Another Another battle, another scar.
Sortzen portal interdimensionala ezaki dago Vermintide denek Stargate
Anyone else having second thoughts?
Bendik Norskara goaz
The rattle of a Skaven gunner.
Boss final.
Norska, eh? It's been a while.
Up here!
That's what's heading through the gate if we fail, Dory. Let's not fight him head on, eh?
Potions!
There's our back door, Dory. Just like Lorna said.
Campamendura
Los Doomy soul breaking weapon.
Over there! Bring it down!
Here's a healing draft. Be careful! Gas rat!
Failed gas rat. Death is too good for you.
Eso Marko litzateke kerian entzako ez zuretza, Markus.
Mud! A berserker comes! They're upon us! Strike for Sigma! Yes, Godexon! Let the blood flow! Watch out! Legion coming! Well, that's all this work. Oh, there were Chelsea's racking them.
Oh, caca.
Hear that? The stomping great Klad Kazaki! Yeah, try this bomb! One Kazaki to fewer!
A gutter runner.
Yes, master.
No more kills
ahí
for
va,
you,
no va.
assassin. Ammunition.
When the backstab we go.
Gutter runners down! Fearless shot!
For glory!
Assassin! Give them what they
You made wise.
Good. Lead away.
Boy, glory! Get it off me!
This better taste good.
What a shame. The Chaos Warriors had enough.
Thick as the scum on the right.
Fácil.
I hear him! Glide Stormer! Leech Wench! Oh,
Oh. Lasai. Antzeman haute berreskuratuko nauzue aurrerago.
it's about to throw its poison!
Ah, the stink of it. There's a scryer out close.
Escribada con tus.
Kazaki Duke are always sailing to war. Melee draft! Follow me! Hold on, let me drink this. You hear that light, please?
Ah, vale, no es duarte.
We killed the leech, Jory. You reckon you got your doorway with that? Hook crack, dead.
Dago landa iziko bossa.
I do believe you're getting better at this.
Baina bihurtzen den
Very
jende.
well, takes a few battles to get everything flowing the way it should. Ow, and right from Come, heretic! The dead of Helgard call out for vengeance! War Do shifting shapes now, eh? Now, where's that key stuff? What's your aim, elf? Yeah, what's in this? Holy Sigma! Bless this ravaged body!
Quit your yammering! There's a Chaos Warrior near.
You're next, dwarf.
I'm out!
By the way!
The Chaos Warrior done!
Lillian! A Blightstormer!
There's potions here!
Packmaster's dead! The Blightstormer's finished!
Through my armor! Yeah! Bring it on!
Aim like a goblin!
Ah! So it's Kazaki Nuka with the Lord Side has claimed the Chaos Warrior!
Señalado.
Here, come aboard! Go! Ralph Ford! So that's how it is!
Pardi. Pardi.
That was a bit close.
Potions! Here!
It's only a scratch. Soon have it patched up.
Bueno, voy a hacer.
Oh, blessed shot!
I feel the winds writhing. Blightstormer. What are we waiting for? Wake the gate!
Seek the warp regulators! We shall let the gate wreak its own ruin!
But eso.
Ha! Break! And bring me a heart desire, Bayflies! I think he's dead, Local Goose.
You think pain will stop me? Antidote, Rengarati! Run! Antidote! Oh, foul abomination!
Horror Studios, sendatzen gauza
Oh, open drinking! Yes! Got a healing drop here! Once was bad enough, but twice! Sigma, protect me!
Amuniziorik gabe aurrera. Sentitzen dut, baina lau, hau ezi batera gustatzen. Paseik txarrena da bere bigarren pasea. Baina tximistak botatzen ditu. Boss hau gogorra da.
Fear these company. They're wise too. The war they bring has no end. Declare of the war movement campaign. Receive the judgment of Sigmar. The sea is out of magic field. Double the discipline. Too much. Only now. You're barely hiding on one eye. Why?
O sea, serpiente cascabel. Esan daiteke errezena dela. Hori da bera azten denean, legu batetik bestera mugitzen.
Eyes open for Rocky Blade, fanatics! No! I drink this from me, drop of desire.
Help me! Are you blind?
Shield rat incoming! Need more ammunition!
Ezingo dugu largi daukagu. Gaina gaude muniziorik gabe. Uff. Alde oparia escasamente ez gaeltzen, Nigo isiltzen denbora soan.
Hello there, and a fine evening to you. Looks like the twin-tailed comet's returned, Saltspire. What do you make of it?
It speaks to dire times ahead, but promises victory.
When we were in Castle Drakenfels, did anyone...
Nothing good can come of discussing the matter.
Sounds good to me.
Warhammer 40.000koa Dark Tide. Esan nahi duzu?
Blessed Sigmar. Someone set the Black Grail loose.
Izango dela honen modukoa, baina 40.000 garren urtean. Bai, hori apuntatu daukat nire itxauten nabilen joko modu horietan. A ver. Gainera joko hori probatzeko asmoak baditut.
Well, there's no accounting for taste.
Horrela beto. Horrela beto. Hemen... Saiatuko naiz berriro. Joan behar bada, hartuko dugu beste bat. Ea norbait animatzen den, edo sartu behar bagara gorra. Ni garrik nahi sartu. Vale, beste pertsona. Star 4. Por cierto, norbait, joko hori erosiko baldin baduzu, erostekotan abizatu. Horrela elkarrekin jokatu genezake.
I knew that was my path since I killed that Tuskor on the old farmstead. Ah, it's the company.
Ah, you refer to walking in the shadow of Sigmar's chosen servant.
Listen, no one in my village had ever seen an elf, and it had been years since a dwarf passed through.
These are strange times, and the Empire is at their
Gauza da
heart.
joko hauek jokatu behar direla beste pertsona batzuekin. Bestela batzutan gertatzen da
Stop faffing around. We don't have time to wait.
Ni erosiko dut seguro. Gero zuk erabaki noski. Badago, uste du daudela bi trailer.
The locals seething with Northlanders who want to find our merry little hidey hole and murder us all in our beds. Yes, it's alarming, but it's also an opportunity. The search has left the camp at Ussingfeld Marsh lightly defended, enough for us to turn the tables on our Rockblood friends. I doubt you'll find their champion in his bed, but I'm sure you'll manage the murder part.
Uste du daudela, Agian bakarra dago. Ate barko lukete gameplayaren irudi batzuk edo. Vale, Kerin eta bestea.
Their champions can be a bit of a whopper sometimes.
This is an opportunity we must seize. The Fiend will never be more vulnerable.
After all, what can possibly go wrong?
Yep, Sackrat's dead.
Hori bai, zuzeneko hau partida honen ostea amaitu zaten alde. PC-en bai, joko hau PC-koa da. Baina uste dut mandorekin ere jokatzeko aukera dagoela. Ez nago ziur, baina posiblea da.
There are too many of them.
Ez dakit crossplaya egiteko aukarik dagoen. Hemen sekulako festa montatu dute. Zendatuko naiz.
What drives the Rotbloods to seek life in the swamp, I wonder?
See, when we tour, we get maudlin, we break some skulls. Only manlings and elgies sulk in the wilds. Mostly.
Ez que pezero ituta nago.
We'll be lucky to see anything in this.
Taren handik da, noiz oroitzen.
Come here, was it? Over here! Easy picking for you, only a goalie. Someone give me a reel. Hail before sun, Ruba, you filthy bastard.
Oraingoz behintzat konfirmatuta daude lau pertsonai. Izango litzateke guardia imperial bat. Uste dut mekanikus bat, bataila arreba bat, eta ogro bat. Espero dut jokoa ordenagailoan jokatu baldin badezaket eta streameatu joko hori ere motor grafiko berdin izango duela, pentsatzen du.
Which path to choose? I favor the lowlands over the ravine. The gunner is slain!
Another battle, another scar. I walk with Sigmar!
Agian hemendik da. Izango litzateke Left 4 Dead baten antzekoa, misioak egiten eta ba.
Here, mates. Maybe we've scared them off. No, I didn't think so neither.
Always sneaking stuff.
Hear that? Sounds like an assassin.
Take that eyes. Hook that. Strike it down. We got the strangler. Assassin rat. Now remember, if I fall in the mire, be sure to haul me out. Sharp.
Hiltzaileak orokorrean harrapatzen zaitu ia beti.
A dead faddy, my favorite sort. This village is in a sorry state. After some time, I reckon.
Listen.
I do believe you're getting better at this war.
Well, takes a few months to get it employed away. And to pick up that keg of ale you got last night.
Hala. Harrapatu nahi.
Sadly, gentlemen.
Beste tipa hartu da berriro justo momentu honetan. Eta joan da.
Your wounds, One Eye. I died. Return me to the soil.
Vale. Que dile a Ne que te izpotzak soldatu harko gaituzte.
You stink stronger than you strike.
Suposatzen dut hango uran izango naizela, hori da eta bestea hor. Hau izango litzateke hirugarren zailtasun mota. Zapeldun modua. Vale, jarri dezagun.
What's your healing drop? Yeah, a lovely drop. You think pain will stop me?
Vale.
Would you like the hoods, would you?
Nanda bizi, bizitza berreskuratu.
That's a leech and no mistake.
burning in silence.
Watch out! Beach incoming!
Vale, behintzat da ogizaki gara. Bai, eskerrak. Bueno, partida bukatzean hortik baldin bazadut erakutseko dizkizut jokatzeko dauden niveles berdin.
We're losing our wizard, Dory. Hold your breath. I'll throw it here. I'll hold them. We'll see you holds.
Poison rat's dead.
Get where you cast, wizard. Coming through.
Hold it! I'm losing blood!
Hue Kerilian. Bizitzaz golpe bat eta pikutra doa, eta ipotza ere berdin. Eta hori lehen gainditu dugula nivelik zaiena.
You realize, of course,
agertu dira ezak izan da.
A lot of you. Try again.
Rattling gun!
Bigez isolik dauzkagu.
the source of the corruption lies ahead. We shall cleanse it.
Backwards to me! Backwards to me! I'll fight on!
Vale.
Stand fast, Dory!
Ni joko hau ateratzen lehen egunean, ikusi dituen hauek, izan zela aktualizazioa, pentsatzen nuen zombiak zirela ez izaki.
I hear a storm from the back.
Badirudi potoloetariko bat akatu dutela.
Poor buggers. Strung up like sides of meat. Are you showing your...
Ay, me decís la zombia.
No more flames my way.
Blade caster! Down! Grimkey?
Voilà, il nice.
You saw that.
Baina dira nolezateko, plagen jainkoen jarraitzaileak.
Bindings! We can use those.
drop of this'll help me along.
Noizean behin atero idute jokoa egun batzuk doan jokatzeko. Agian hau koronavirusa baino okerragoa da.
Doomy won't be a problem now. Bogger can't kill a windstorm, can we? Where's the sorcerer?
Vale, orain gainera, ariete bat erabili behar dugu ate bat zuntzitzeko. Eta gero hortik... paracetamolekin ez pasatu. Etoren joan bargaraz, arietea zaintzen, ateren du arte, eta bat. Guardia mesi horietako baten moduan. Eta gero agertzen da hau, eta zure bizitzak entzun dizu. NPC-ak laguntza moduan, baina kasu honetan zehazudurako balio du. Gainera konbersa berondoan. Gero pozoia batzen zaituzte. Zaguak ere hemen... Zagu zerrak ez, baina zaguak hemen ere implikatuak daude.
Come on then, we'll have ya! Not feeling great. Take more care, Azungi. They're no use to us dead.
También esta correa da Rai.
Supplies.
Bring Barati! I'm a bit banged up.
May I remind you, you are not invincible, dwarf?
So many, let's drive them back.
Ha! The frontal assault was the last thing they expected. Now, where is it?
Stop showing off! You'll never be as good as us, only hurts when I laugh, and when I breathe.
Your wounds need tending, Marcus.
Lehena bludipotza dela 7erako jogurako agian pertsonelik onena edo, eta orain hau, zaiena eltzeko esango nuke elpoizango dutzatekela doaztia. Batez ere magia askera hiltzen baldin baduzu, eskonda egiten duzu. Batzuetan ez dago zer. Kendu erditik, jainkoaren zenian. Vale. Guazen manka aurrera. Orain dator bosa. Uste dut orain lortu genituzkela munizioa eta bar lortzea eta hemen ja sendatzeko mobidak.
The wound was deeper than it looked. I could barely stand.
Eta orain hemen zezenak izango gina moduan hemen borroka egitera bere liderraren kontra.
If only there was time, I'd rise a pyre for the dead.
Hora gertuko da.
Dare trespass on my domain? I shall face you alone.
Now you're talking like a doorway. Weapon drop, weapon doom.
Gauza da daukana handia da, baina gero bat la karga eraso potentea dauka eta gero di. Gero azten dira, bere tribukoak hemen mobiren sartzen. Orduan zen.
You heard that? Our glorious resume recited by this soon-to-be-dead arch-heathen? Yes! We did our duty, but we're not finished yet! Bull-rushing, eh? Fine! Sigma, my thanks for this victory!
Eta orain gainera ies egin behar dugu.
Time for us to take a bow and dance away.
Incoming pack!
Baina uste dut beste hortik zela. Beren helburua ies egitea.
Nice work, mates. Lona's secrets remain his own.
Eta etxai gehiago daude, beste joku batzuetan agatzen duzu bosa eta lasaitasun daukazu. Hemen, ez da pentsatu ere. Heldu gara portal horretara eta irabazita izango genuke. Orain piztuko da. Hemen etxai gehiago potroak igutzeko. Vale. Nivelik altuenean gaude. Bueno, ez dago txarto. Gainera, denbora honetan uste du ematen dutela esperientzia bikoitza. Irazten baduzu, esperientzia gehiago galtzen baduzu baino, baina esperientzia bikoitza beti hona da. Sorte izan dugu eta monstrurik ez da saldu. Hemen gutxian espero duzuen agertzen zaizu monstro bat edo bi edo agian 3 oso gogorrak direla eta bidaltzen zaituzte pikutara. Orain irtengo naiz momentu baten. Gainera datorren astean dator aktualizazio bat gauza berriekin eta bar. Eta hemen ere niveles igotzen zoazen bitartean, lortzen zoaz talentu batzuk, eta ematen dizkizu gauza ezberdina. 5. nivelean, ez dakitzen bat gauza, eta bar. Eta horrela prestatzen duzu zure pertsonaia nahi duzu moduan, armak eta abar denboraekin eta zailtasunen arabera hobeagoak lortzen dituzu. Eta hemen ikusten duzun moduan zailtasun mota dago, hasi berrientzat, eta gero armak eta tramankuluak balio dute puntu batzuk, eta hemen eroiak izan dezake egin ezeu puntu. Gero veteranoa 300 puntu, hori izan da gaur arte jokatu dudan nivela. Gaur jokatu dugu hemen eroi indar gehien 300 puntu. Hemen leyenda zailtasun handiago izango litzateke, eta gero hau ja DLC batekin datorrena, baina DLC hori zuen oso harrera ona izan, eta jarraitzen izaten du, harrera nahiko txarra, eta hau izango litzateke ja zure burua bidali nahi baduzu pikutara. Eta badago misio bat, eta bukatzen baduzu misio hori uste dut lehendan dela, lortzen duzu garaipen bat, eta gu jokatu dugu hemen. Esan dezakegu hau ez daukagunez, hemen gainean jartzen dizuen estadamente difícil. Hau basierakoa, normala, apur bat zailagoa, eta kasu honetan izango litzateke hau oso zaila, eta hau imposible moduan. Mi esker laguno zuzenekotik pasatzearen, begiratuko norbait dagoen raida egiteko, edo bestela beste kanal bati raida ingo diot. Mi esker norbait pasatzearen, beti posgarria da norbaitek txatean zeo zer esaten duenean.
Victor, one of my lads reckons he can get a message to the Order, if you're interested.
It will keep, at least for now. I'm sure we will prevail without their aid.
Beno, inorez dagonez, hemen utziko dugu zuzenekoa, eta hurrengoan gehiago